Don't mind the room. It's a little messy. We flew into Puerto Rico last night, yesterday morning. We got here at like 8:30 in the morning, which would have been 7:30 our time. Our flight was at 3:30 in the morning. And we checked into this hotel. This is the Hyatt. Only here for one night. And today we're driving about, I think almost 2 hours to the second place that we're gonna stay at. And I'm gonna just vlog the trip. I had no energy to do that yesterday because I woke up at like 3 in the morning. So all we did yesterday was literally just sleep on the beach and go to dinner. I think we should jump in. Make sure we're in the frame. No, we're in the frame. These are all hermit crabs and snails. Yesterday we were walking along the beach here and studying them a little bit. Not disrupting them, but there was tons just crawling on the sand. So that's how I was able to see them. But they came in all different types of shells and sizes and colors. I think the ones that are stuck on the rocks are the snails. That one's pretty. It's like a orangey red color. Ugh. I should have taken a picture of how sunburnt I was yesterday. Wow, that's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Totally forgot to update you guys. We went to the gym. He's still there. I just got back to the room because I'm tired. It was a leg day. I'm gonna rinse off because I'm sandy and sweaty, and then pack up my stuff because we're going to a different hotel for the next 3 nights. And on the way there, we're stopping at this festival thing that happens, I think, only once a year in San Juan, or maybe it's a different area, but I think it's close to San Juan. And yesterday when we were getting our rental car, first of all, our experience, even through Fort Lauderdale Airport, into Puerto Rico, to the rental car lady, to the people at the hotel, everybody has been so freaking nice and just really helpful. So yesterday our rental car lady, she told us about this festival. She was like, you guys have to go. I think during the nighttime it's more of like a party drinking scene, so we skipped it last night. And I think during the day it's more like artsy and just a little bit less rowdy. Okay, that's enough talking. I'm gonna get ready and then I'll show you my outfit. Goodbye, hotel. This place is huge. They have golf carts that can pick you up to take you to the restaurants on the property or to take you back to the lobby. And of course, we haven't ran into any of them. This is just the lobby of the hotel. And then I got rice and beans and sweet plantains, and oh my god, I ate it all. And then I just took an hour nap in the car. Jared's been driving. Ooh. Where are we? I know, I saw, I got on video. Mom, let me call you back when we get to the hotel because we're driving through this jungle now. Aw, yeah. Wow, good table. She's getting it. Last morning in Puerto Rico. We're leaving the hotel to go find some breakfast, and our flight isn't until 6:30 tonight, so we're gonna probably find a hike on the way to the airport.